place is called Whitewater Amphitheater. There's a big amphitheater over there where bands play and stuff. And the Guadalupe River is right down here. So I can access it here. There's already some guys fishing. There's a guy. I thought it would be less people here, but I see 2 people already. But it's beautiful here. Oh, in this area, it goes up here and it loops all the way around this big neighborhood. So you can walk up here and then it loops around and comes almost back like a horseshoe.
Nothing yet. There's Joey. Got his 11-foot Euro nymping pole.
There's Rainbow. Got him.